Ready to unleash your data storytelling skills and share your Tableau masterpieces with the world? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to publish your interactive visualizations on Tableau Public, a fantastic, free platform for sharing your data insights. But first, let's understand its limitations and benefits. Tableau Public is free, which is amazing. But that means your data will be publicly accessible, so be sure you're only using data you're comfortable sharing. Okay, first things first, make sure you have a Tableau Public account. If not, head over to Public.Tableau and sign up. It's quick and easy now. In Tableau Desktop, open the workbook you want to publish. Take a moment to review your dashboard. Is it clear, concise, and easy to understand for a general audience? Next, click on File in the top menu. Then select Save to Tableau Public, as you'll be prompted to log into your Tableau Public account if you haven't already. A dialog box will appear. Give your workbook a descriptive name and add a relevant description. This will help others find and understand your visualization. Think of keywords people might use to search for your data story. Once you click Save, Tableau will upload your workbook to your Tableau Public profile. Your default browser will then open, displaying your interactive dashboard online. Congratulations! You've successfully published. Now, let's share it. See that share button? Click it. Here you'll find options to embed your visualization on websites or blogs and easily share it on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Now your data stories can reach a wider audience than ever before, so get out there and start publishing. #Tableau Public #Data Storytelling.